Hi everyone. I hope everyone listening right now is doing good. Being practitioners of Nichiren Daishonin Buddhism, we chant Nam-myoho Renge Kyo, the meaning for which have been shared in earlier videos. Today, we are going to understand the importance or the meaning of the word Myo. One may not fully understand the meaning of Nam-myoho Renge Kyo, still can attract great benefits by daily practice of chanting. However, once we comprehend the actual meaning behind it, it deepens our understanding, strengthens our prayer, and determination for victory. So now when we are chanting Nam-myoho Renge Kyo, we know the meaning of Myo. We know the importance of Myo. It is going to help us to fight our devilish functions and erase various doubts. And hence, we can have a joyful Daimaku within which we can report unbelievable victories to our mentor. Let's begin. So today's topic is only going to relate to the word Myo. However, if you want to understand each character of Nam-myoho Renge Kyo, the same can be studied in the Gosho, the Daimaku of the Lotus Sutra. So let's fix up a meeting with our fellow SGI members to study this particular Gosho in the next study meeting. Nichiren Daishonin summarized the meaning of Myo into these three categories. First, open. Second, perfect and full. Third, revive, that is to return to life. So let's begin with the first one. As per the Gosho, it opens the gate of expedient means and shows the form of true reality. This means that there is a storehouse and you require a key to open that storehouse. Lotus Sutra is the key that opens the storehouses of all the sutras that have been preached by Buddha, making it possible for the treasures that lie within those sutras to be utilized. Second is fully endowed, which in turn has the meaning of perfect and full. In the 28th chapter of the Lotus Sutra, there were various principles that were expounded. In order to transmit the mystic principles of Myo, various interpretations were laid down. However, just as all treasures emerge from a wish-granting jewel that is as small as mustard seed, just as all the plants and flowers bloom due to the light of the sun, so each single character of Lotus Sutra contains all the teachings and benefits within it. Nichiren Daishonin says that all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas of the 10 directions originate from the single character Myo. Hence, those who make offering to the Lotus Sutra will receive the same benefit as they would by making offering to all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas in the 10 directions, because all the Buddhas of the 10 directions originate from the single character Myo. So Myo not only opens the deadlocks in front of us, but also transforms the most adverse and intractable circumstances into being fully endowed, that is perfect and full. Now let's come to the third meaning of Myo, that is to revive, which means to bring back to life. This means that the Lotus Sutra can impart fresh life and hope to all the people. While being in any challenge or hardship, in any sphere of our life, we can chant Nam-myoho Renge Kyo by focusing on the word Myo, considering these three interpretations. For example, finances or work or relationship, we can open up new ways, the dead ways. We can transform them into being something perfect and full. We can revive our finances, we can revive our relationships and whatsoever challenge that we are in. So by chanting Nam-myoho Renge Kyo ourselves and teaching others to do the same, we can concretely manifest the power of the single character Myo in our own lives. Isn't that something we can be thankful about? So let's just study more about this concept and this Gosho with our SGI members and report amazing and unbelievable victories to our mentor. Thank you.